Hello friends, welcome once again. The agenda of this tutorial, how to completely uninstall Visual Studio Code IDE from Windows 11. We have to follow these simple steps to completely remove Visual Studio Code IDE from Windows 11. Let's begin the step 1. In the step 1, we have to go to the location of the installed Visual Studio Code. There we will just click on this exe file. Simply go to the Windows search. If you have a desktop icon, you can simply do right click and choose file location. Otherwise, go to the search, do right click, open file location, and then again do the right click and select open file location. And then you will reach at the installed location. Here you will find this exe file. Just double click to uninstall. And then click on this yes and wait for a few seconds. Uninstallation window, the progress bar, wait for the complete uninstallation. After that, you will see a message, Visual Studio Code successfully removed from your computer. Okay, again, now jump to step 2. In the step 2, we have to delete the directory which has been created at the time of installation on your system. So we have to remove this directory in the step 2, and then after we jump to step number 3. So this is the installed directory location. Go to the computer, C drive. In the C drive, you have to go to the users, then select the user. And after that, you have to find out the app data folder. See this, in my case, app data folder is visible. It may be hidden for you. Okay, so you have to go to view option and come to the show and just click on this hidden items. Once you select, this app data will be visible on the system. And now we just double click to go inside this folder. And then we have to go to the roaming folder. And now here you can see this code folder. See this? Lots of files are here. So we will delete this complete folder. Okay, we have deleted. Now we move to the step number 3. Here we have to delete one more directory with the name .vscode. And this is present at the user label. Go inside the user and you will find this folder here, .vscode. Simply do right click and delete. So these folders keep Visual Studio Code reference files. So if we delete all those stuff, then the Visual Studio Code completely uninstall from your Windows 11. And now you can restart your PC and start using. Now, thanks for watching.